Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Wimbledon is here, and to celebrate this great sports event, we're gonna make the typical Wimbledon drink, the Pimm's Cup. It's really easy and it uses Pimm's #1, which is the gin-based version of Pimm's. So let's not waste more time and start with the drink. We take our glass of choice and we're gonna put some ice cubes inside. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some cucumber, some orange, a little bit of lemon, and a little bit of strawberry. To that we're gonna add 2 ounces or 60 ml of Pimm's #1. $15 ml or half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're gonna top everything up with some ginger ale. Which color? Okay. So we mix. I'm gonna add a little bit more ice. And to decorate, I will try with a combination of some citrus. Okay, it's not that easy. And with a strawberry. So that is how we make the Pimm's Cup. Let's give it a taste. Well, no wonder it's a staple for this event. It's really refreshing. There is not too much alcohol in the Pimm's #1. So you have like a floral note from the spirit, which combines very well with the ginger ale, which is significantly less strong compared to ginger beer, and you have some tartness from the lemon juice, and everything combines perfectly. So it's extremely refreshing and hydrating. So as I said before, no surprise, it's a go-to drink for this event. I really hope you're gonna enjoy the drink while we are watching Wimbledon, but even if you are not a tennis fan, I still think it's a good option you to give this drink a try. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye bye everyone.